Hi, I am. Let me move this out the way before I burn my wig up, child. I should not have this in the screen. It is just ghetto. Should I pour? I should pour a glass of wine. I have not posted on YouTube in a while. Should I pour a proper glass of wine or should I fill it to the top like nobody's here? Because nobody is here. So, hi everyone. This is my name. I made my own sign because whatever. My name is Shani Aisha for everyone who doesn't know me, which is everyone. So I don't really know how to like start off a video. Thank you for visiting my channel. I've been putting this off for so long, putting off making videos, putting off just, I don't know, I always kept saying I don't know what I want to post about. I kept saying I don't have this and I don't have that, and I still don't. And so I said I should just start, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start. Just going to start. My name is Shani Aisha. That's my sign I made. I am a graphic designer. I'm an illustrator. I feel like that's another reason why I didn't start, because I don't know exactly like what I want to videos about for real. Like again, I'm a graphic designer, baking and cooking and stuff, and I'm vegan, and so I don't know what I want to make this about, but I'm just gonna start so that I can say that I started, you know? I've been putting this off. As you see, the last video I posted was 3 years ago, like some recipe videos that I feel like I think people would want. My Apple Watch, everybody's working out today. In the spirit of Valentine's Day, I wanted to share a recipe of mine that I really love. They are vegan biscuits, and I'm going to make them heart-shaped on this. I'm working on it. Okay, it's like, why? They are really good. And you can serve vegan bae, breakfast in bed, or brunch in bed, or just brunch on Valentine's Day. This would be and it's super simple and easy to make. So good, you cannot tell that they're vegan. And how do YouTubers say it? Let's get into it. Maple, shut up. You're going to need 3 cups of plain almond milk, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And you're going to need 2 1/4 teaspoons of sea salt, 12 tablespoons of vegan butter. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't be but I don't need you.
nighttime. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
She's specifically talking about, you are right, she do look like showing up, but this is definitely his ponytail, amen? She definitely looks like for real?
There you go. I guess I'll look at a movie or something.
We mean, hey girl alive.
And then talking to somebody else who's famous. It's like two nobodies talking on the phone. Investigative bloggers, the one who said the girl was shaking in court.
Make those ladies on biscuits.
One thing I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna lie to you at all. I'm not making this shit up.